Hello friend, welcome to my channel. This is Abhay with you. Sorry, from couple of days I could not make any review video as I have stuck up in some urgent work. But now, today I have come up with new product review. The product name is Squishio Beats. So see, in online marketing, buyer traffic is very important. It's well said that buyer traffic is lifeblood for any online marketing. So for any online marketing, if you want to successful, you need a targeted buyer traffic whom you can promote your campaign or your product. So there are various source of buyer traffic, like you can approach through Facebook, you can get through Instagram, by email marketing. But some of these traffic source are become obsolete and they are now saturated. And other way to get the buyer traffic is you can run your solo ad. You can get the buyer traffic by running paid ads, paid campaign. But these are some expensive ways. SquishiyoBit, in nutshell, is a cloud-based software and which gives you untapped WhatsApp marketing tools. So through which you can promote your product or link. So with the help of this software, you can get unlimited buyer traffic from WhatsApp. So as you know that WhatsApp have presently more than 2 billion actively users. So this is the untapped way. Till date, nobody is using this WhatsApp as a marketing tools. But here, this with the help of this software, you can approach to this more than 2 billion buyers through this WhatsApp. So you can promote your own product or you can promote others product also. So with the help of this SquishiyoBits software, you can reach to unlimited buyer traffic. So with the help of this software, you can automatically search for more profitable offer from Warrior Plus and JVZoo from this platform. See, and this software come up with 30 ready-made video template, image, background music, where they can easily edit. So with the help of this software, you can promote this product and affiliate link. You can put your affiliate link so that whenever buyer uh, come to this page, they will buy this product through your link. So you can upload and store unlimited WhatsApp number. So you can compose, send and schedule message with the help of this software. And here in this software, unique feature is that this campaign you can do on social sharing also. Like if you want to promote this product on various social platform like Facebook, Insta and other platform. So through this software, you can promote your campaign. Here you will get cloud storage as well. So today I have a great offer for you. If you like this product and if you purchase this product through my link, you will get the bonuses from my site, which will act as an add-on for this software. And the link is already given in the description. You need to just click on that link so that it will redirect you to the sales page from where you can buy this product and you will get the bonuses from my side. Today, I will review this product. First, I will take you through my bonus page. Then we'll go through the member area and then we'll see the price part. So let's start our review. So I'll take you through this bonus page. You will get all the bonuses once you purchase through my link. The link is already given in the description. So this SquishiyoBits is going to launch 6th August at 10 AM EST, that is Eastern Standard Time. So this bonus is only for limited time frame. So this bonus you will get till 10th August midnight. So you grab this product before that so that you will get all the bonuses. So I will take you through the bonuses. So this price part we'll discuss once we'll go through the sales page. See, as I already told, whatever the bonuses I am offering, these all bonuses will act as an add-on. So these bonuses will help you to grow your buyer traffic and to grow your online business. So first bonus, you will get the lost code. In this tutorial, you will get the automatic done for you so that you can use this done for you and you can grow your online business with the help of this done for you. And my second bonus, the Figo multiplier. So this is the tutorial where you learn the various hacks and strategy how to get the buyer traffic for your product, so that ultimately you can earn the good commission by through your affiliate link. My third bonus is access to A to Z launch jacking guide. So in this tutorial, you will get to learn from scratch to finish everything about the launch jacking. The launch jacking, you will promote others' product through your affiliate link, so that whenever buyer buy through your affiliate link, you will get the huge commission. So in this tutorial, you will get to learn from A to Z. And my fourth bonus is build your Facebook following fast. So Facebook is a potential platform where you can promote your product, you can run your campaign, you will get all your buyer traffic from Facebook also. But for that you need to grow your following list. So in this tutorial, step by step way, you will learn how to grow your following. My fifth bonus is how to explode your YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, you will learn how to grow your YouTube channel. So YouTube is also one of the best platform where you can promote your product or campaign. So here in this tutorial, step by step way is given how to grow your channel, how to rank your videos so that maximum number of buyer can attract to your these videos. So everything is given in step by step way. So this is the bonuses which you will get from my side once you purchase this product through my link. So link is already given in the description. So now I will take you through the member area. So this is the member area I have logged in. So once you log in, you can see this member area. Now I am at dashboard. So in dashboard, you can see these messages, how many messages you have sent through this WhatsApp, and here storage is also given. So schedule message, if there is any message schedule to send, there that also you can see here. So this is the dashboard where you will get all these ideas. So on left hand side, various tools is given. So as I told, the various product, if you want to promote that from Warrior Plus or JVZoo, you can search from here. You just need to click on this Warrior Plus details, so that you will go to this Warrior Plus page. So once you click there, here you can see the various product which is on Warrior Plus platform. From here you can promote that product. You can apply for the affiliate link and you promote that product. If the buyer purchase through your link, you will get the commission. So here if you click on sales page, you will directly redirect to their sales page, and for promote to this product, you can just simply click on grab the deals, so that you will get your affiliate link. Suppose this is the slingshot. If you want to promote this product, just click on grab the deals. So from here you will get the link. So once you get that link, you can promote through this software. The same way you can get the link for various products from JVZoo. You just need to click on JVZoo, so that it will take you through the JVZoo page. So from this JVZoo page, you can select any of the product which you want to promote, and you have to just apply from here. Just click on this grab the deals. From here you can apply for their affiliate link, and once you get the affiliate link, you can promote that product through this platform. So next function is this creator. So you just need to click on creator. So once you click on creator, you will come to this page. So from here you can make your landing page. So in this page, a video is there, this text is also there. So you can edit this video as well. You can edit the image, or you can put the text, or you can simply put your affiliate link or this thing. So this page is fully editable, and this various tools is given like videos, image, upload, text. So these are audios, layers. So you can edit as you want. Okay, and even you can upload your own separate page also to promote the product. You can use other image also. as per your requirement, you can choose the image and you can select here, and you can edit also. So if you edit as per your requirement, then click on save and then click on download. So once you click on download, this page will be downloaded here in this software, so that the same page you can use to promote or campaign your product. So next function is download. Whatever the pages you have downloaded, all the download you will get here. So you just need to click here, you will get that page. And next function is this member list, the main. So once you click on it, you will get this page. So here you can put the various WhatsApp numbers to whom you want to promote your products. You will get, it's like a email list building. So you have to just put the various number. So here you will get the ready-made your list which you have already created, or you can create your separate list also. So from this number list, you can search the various list which you have already saved, and you can create new list as well from here. Then we'll go to the next function, messages. So once you click on this message, you will come to this page. So where this composer, scheduled message, insight, history, RSS feed, everything you will get. So you can see this text list. So you can create the various list as per the product, so that whenever you want to promote any product, you have to just click on that link, so that it will reach to unlimited buyers list, which you have created here. So it will target to all these buyer lists. So from here you can type your message, you can put text, you can put picture, and you can even put your affiliate link and this thing, the product link as well. So that once you create here, you can just click on message preview, so that you can see how your message looks when it will go through your WhatsApp. So one more unique function is given in this software, social share. So once you click on the social share, so you will come to this page. So from here you can target across all these social media platforms. So you can promote your product, campaign your product to all these social media platforms like Facebook, Facebook Messenger, Twitter, Snapchat, LinkedIn, and so many. So these are some that platform where you can promote your product. You have to just simply put your WhatsApp URL here, and you have to send. You can select any of these social media platform, so that this WhatsApp URL will be shared on this platform, and you will get the unlimited buyer traffic. So this is from this member area. So now I will quickly take you through this sales page. So this Quixio is the fastest way to drive free buyer traffic to any link, offer, funnel with just one click. That is also from WhatsApp. So in this sales page, I will take you through only main part. If you want to go in detail through this sales page, the link is already given in my description. You can just go through that link, and you can go through in detail through this sales page. So here some testimonial is also given, so you can go through in details. So important thing, you will get 30 days money back guarantee as well. So now we'll see this price part. So this Quixio Bits software, you will get around $17. The front end price is around $17. So here you will get full access to this software. Here note down, even if you purchase this front end, you will get all the bonuses which I have mentioned. So now we'll see this OTO price. Sell number 1 that cost you around $37, but downsell price is $27. That is Quixio Bits Unlimited. Upsell number 2, which cost you around $67, Quixio Bits Automation. Upsell number 3, Quixio Bits Done For You, that cost you around $197, but downsell price is $97. Upsell number 4, Quixio Bits Reseller. So here you will get the resale rights for this software, which is costing around $67, but downsell price is $47. Upsell number 5, Quixio Bits Still our website traffic. So this cost you around $197, but downsell price is $97. Upsell number 6, Quixio done for you traffic that cost you around $397. So this is the price for this software. So I'll summarize this product. So this Quixio Bits is the software with the help of which, so with the help of this software, you will get the free buyer traffic from WhatsApp. So see, you will get the buyer traffic from other source also, like Facebook, Insta, and by running solo ads. But more or less that platform is saturated. So here in through WhatsApp, it's the untapped and untouched source. So very rarely means people still not using that much this software. Till date, this WhatsApp is not used by this so many affiliator to promote their product or to get the buyer traffic. So this is the new way to get the buyer traffic through the WhatsApp. So you can use this software and you will get the buyer traffic for your any product promotion or your own product, or if you want to promote others product also. So you have to just share your link through this software. So through this software you can reach to WhatsApp user, that is also more than 2 billion currently user are there. So you can get unlimited buyer traffic from this WhatsApp. So I hope this review is helpful to you. If you like this product and if you want to purchase this product, the link is already given in the description. You have to just click on that link so that it will redirect you to the sales page from where you will get this product and you will get all my bonuses. So on this channel, I'll come up with the upcoming product review. So do visit my channel and subscribe the channel. If you like this review, please share it with your friend. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.